What up, guys? This is my 2023 Bolt R-Spec by Yamaha in Storm Gray. I did a couple little things. I added the Mohawk shield, you know, the RAM phone mount, nothing big. But what I did do that was big was I got rid of this really crappy, huge exhaust that it comes with the mounting bracket. And I put a Radiant Cycles Shorty GP. That thing looks way better. And they do have a baffle, which is inside. I did paint it black before I installed it, and it just brings out the bike. The sound is amazing. They're definitely going to hear you. So here's a little sound test. So there's a little teaser. If you want your bike to have less of a ugly exhaust and you want to actually be heard while you're on the freeway and in traffic, this is the way to go. It's amazing. There is some slight popping on decel. From what I understand, it doesn't hurt your bike. It's just exhaust fumes burning and popping while you're driving. What you do is you have to cut your pipe right after the O2 right there, and then you just, this comes with a clamp and you clamp it on. So you're gonna have your O2 still there, you know, metering your engine and adjusting to whatever fuel it needs. So from what I understand, it doesn't do anything to it, but it's an awesome upgrade, guys. It gets rid of that really crappy huge exhaust. So check them out. Radiant Cycles GP Shorty. Later.